Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to start creating video on university management system, which is being created by myself. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the URL which has been given to you by me, or the application which has been uploaded in a server or in a place. You have to go there at first. For example, this video is being created for ums.rishad.edu.f. For example, ums.rishad.edu.f. So to go to there, first you have to open your browser. So when the browser opens, here you have to go to the link which has been uploaded, the application where it has been uploaded. So after that, you have to give username and password. By default, I have given username and password for testing version admin@rishad.com. So this is the username as well as this is the password for it. Later on you can change it, or you can change password, you can change user, anything you want, you can do it. So I'm going to log in to the application. So I have given username as well as password. Just I'm going to log in. When I get login to my application, it's like this. Here it will show how many students are registered with us, how many staffs are registered with us, and the students. This is the overall whole students registered with us, and this is the students who are studying with us currently, or some students came. He enters his information to a database, but he leaves or he goes to another institute for their information. So this is overall student information which has been recorded in database, and this is the students which are being registered and studying currently. So to start this application for university management system, you have to first add programs which has been taught or taught by in this university. So here I'm going to add university programs for the university which has been taught in the university for the students. So let's add a program name for it. So now I am going to add a program called Sharia, and its Persian name is Shariat. So I'm going to just copy paste it. I have this with myself, so I'm going to submit it. Now I have added one program information successfully. Here you can see I have added one program. Let's add another one, which is being economics. So it's called in Persian Iqtisad. So I'm going to add Iqtisad also in Persian. I'm just copy pasting it because I can't be able to write Persian text. So I'm going to submit it. As you can see, the second one is also added successfully, second program. And the third program, law and political science, as you can see here, because I have added before, so I'm just going to create its video demonstration for other people's, how they can use my application. So here law and political science in Persian, I think حقوق وعلوم سياسي. So I'm going just copy paste it and edit. So that's enough. that's enough that I have added a program and to run this application, to register a student to a semester or to a program. You must add these things first, and after that you can be able to add them. So after that you can add term departments also. Same like this, I am going to add what departments, terms. So in terms I have for example in law and political science, okay, here I have a term called R-06 and 08. These both of them, and its Persian name is, for example, Dore Shasham. Dore Shasham. So here you can see I have added a term for a law and political sciences, R94-6 Dore Shasham. Okay, so after that I'm going to add one another what we say term in law and political sciences. Here I will add R-958. So its Persian name is Dore Hashtam. So I'm going to add the Persian name also. Here I have added. Now I have added program as well as term. Now I'm going to add departments. For example, I should say that there are many departments. For example, each program has a different department. For example, I have line in political science. Here I have a department called administration and diplomacy. Yeah, this is. So its Persian name is Idari something like that. I don't know, but I can't read it. So Idari wa diplomacy. So I'm going to add this department in law and political science. So here it is. The second one, for example, I'm going to add judicial and prosecutor in law enforcement. Judicial and prosecutor. So here its Persian name is Qazai wa Saranwali, I think something like this. Qazai wa Saranwali. It's Persian or Pashto, I don't know, but it's like this. So I'm just going to add here. It's two department in law and political science program. So after that I'm going to add one else in law and political science called general means umumi. Okay, so now I have added this in law and political science. So for more information I'm just going to add more departments in, for example, in economy. In economy I'm going to add management and accounting. Okay, so its Persian name is Mudiriyat wa something like this, Muhasaba. So I can't able to read the small texts as I'm from where I'm just copying it. It's in Persian, but it's too much small, so I can't be able to read it normally. So that's why I read it when I paste here. It shows a little bit larger. So I'm just going to submit here. Economy has now one program, one department, management and accounting, and law and political sciences has three departments: general, judicial and prosecutor, administrative and diplomacy. So now I am going to add another one in economy, another department called business administration. Great. So I'm going to copy paste its Persian name. Here I have added almost all of them, or it's just an example. So after that I'm going to add one another called general, and its Persian name, general department for economy. here it has been added. So after that let's add some departments in Sharia. One is Islamic studies, and its Persian name is Talimat Islami. So after that I'm going to add Sharia jurisprudence and law. I don't know what does it mean, but I'm not sure. I haven't studied these things as I am an application developer. I don't mean it. So I have added these departments in law, in political science, administrative and diplomacy, judicial and prosecutor, and general. In economy, management and accounting, business administration, general economy, and Sharia, Islamic studies, jurisprudence and law. So that's all for now. So after that I have to add semesters basically as some of programs are 8 semesters, some of them are 4 semesters, but it doesn't belong to it. We just have to add semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever there are. How many semesters there are, I don't know, but now currently I'm just doing for 8 semesters. Semester 1, after that semester 2. Okay, as I'm not typing this because I have already done these things before while semester 3 up to semester 8. Okay, semester 4, here semester 5, and here semester 6. This should be in sequence because manipulation done for reports and everything is being done in front of this. It's getting its ID. This should be in sequence. If it's not in sequence, the result will not be what we say in a sequence, or it may get some sort of error. Okay, so semester 6 has been added. Now semester 7, after that semester 8. So this is what I want. I have added semesters also. After that I'm just going to add what we say. I'm just going to add subjects. There are many more things, but before that I have to add subjects. Subjects depends on many things, like subject code. As I am going to add some subjects. For example, I am going to add subject code with a LA110. Its name is Fundamentals of Law. Fundamentals of Law. And its Persian name is Mubadi Hukuk or something like this. As yes, it's Mubadi object. And here it's credit. Uh, this is a subject which is being taught in one program or many programs, or maybe not in a programs. So how much its subjects credit is um, for the transcript of the student or for a ministry report. So here we have 2 credit for the subject. So there are same subjects with having same number, with having same code. I think with the same code, but its credit are different. Where in some program it has 2 credits, and in some program it has 1 credit. So therefore, I'm just going to show you how to do it and how it will work for you. So I'm just going to add some subjects which is being used for further in programs or in semesters which has been where the students have been registered or added. So here one subject I have added. I'm going to add the second one, LA112, the 111. So this is the subject code, and its name is World Political History, and its Persian name is Tarikh-i Siyasi Jahan, and its credit is 2, for example. Okay, so now I added this one also. Oh, what the fuck. So here I have a problem. I can't be able to delete because the manipulation I haven't created, like how should I update it, because I haven't given any user permissions. After that you will be able to manipulate or delete or something do like this, but it's not good. You are going to delete a subject from your application. It may create a problem further. As you know that I have made changes in backend database. That's not fair, or that's not good for you, or that isn't for you. That belongs to me, and I have created, and I know where to make changes. So after that, I am going to add some subjects, like 11 subjects I have to add in it. Now I have added only 2 subjects right now, and now I am going to add one more subject, and that's called fundamentals and political science. Okay, so its Persian name is maybe Mabadi or something like this, but I don't know. So its credit is 2. So I'm just going to add it here. Here we can see we have added 3 subjects, and one more LA113. So subject code, its name is International Organization. Okay, so its Persian name is maybe what what is this? I don't know. Salman Hai Bain al Minadi. So its credit is 2. Okay, so now just I'm going to add it. Yes. So after that I'm going to add one more subject, 114. Its name is Fundamentals of Islamic Law. Okay, Fundamentals of Islamic Law. Yes. So what does it mean? For example, حقوق إسلامي أساسات حقوق إسلامي. Here it has two credit. So that is the subject. That is the subject I am talking about. That this subject is being studied in two programs. Where in one program it has one credit, and in another one it has two credits. So you have to add this first. When it has been added, after that you have to add same code with same name. What's this? Fundamentals of Islamic law. Okay, here its Persian name is also same, but its credit is different. So here we have to make a different credit for it. Okay, that's all. So I have added here. You can see same code with same name. Okay, but its credit is different. So that doesn't problem. If you select for a semester this subject having one credit, its result will come out in one credit. If you select this one, its result will come out for in two credits. So after that I am going to add another subjects called LA115. I think this is Islamic tautology. Okay, great. So Islamic tautology, Sakafati Islami, I think it's written here something like this. As I told you that my eyes are too weak. So it's credit also one. I'm just going to add it. Okay. When it has been added, after that LA116, which has been political thoughts. Great. So its Persian name is Tarikh, something like this, I think. Tarikh Ifkari Siyasi. So it has two credits. I'm just going to add it. So after that LA117, here it's computer. Great. Computer subject belongs to me. Oh my god. So here it has two credits. It has good. It has two credits. So after that I'm going to add LA18, where it's English. I think these are compulsory subjects, computer and English. It also has two credits, for example 2. Now I'm just going to add it. Okay, now we have added. Oh, by the way, there are one more subject, which is Islamic tautology, LA115. Islamic tautology. Here it's Islamic tautologies, Sakafat Islami. Okay, but it has two credits. Here you can see it has one credit. Here it has two credits. I'm just going to add it. Okay, that's enough for a semester to start a student or to register a student. So after that, when we have added these things, so that's all for this tutorial. You can add these things like this. So after that I'm going to show you one most and important thing which is being used in my application for a program or for a department or for a term. You have to use it. So that's all for now. Have a nice day, and see you in next lecture.